Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a custom category in Rocket Money. So creating a custom category in this game lets you organize your transactions in a way that better matches your spending habits. So this feature is available to premium members, right? So you will need to get the premium version of the game. So in this game, you will need then to tap on the gear icon or the settings that's located on the upper left corner of the dashboard, right? Or the upper right corner, right? So it depends on the version. So this one, tap it, and here you will need to tap on or to select the categories and rules or categories, tags and rules on some versions. All right, so actually guys, as I told you, we'll need to have or to be a premium member so you can tap on and visualize that option. All right, so once you tap the new category, you will need to enter a category name, an icon, a color, whether it should count towards spending or income, and choose the category group like expenses, earnings, ignored, extra, and then just tap on save. So on the or after creating a custom category, you can then create a transaction rule, so matching transactions are automatically assigned to it, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.